welcome back to my channel. I am back. I realized when I filmed this that, well, the video you're going to see in just a few seconds, that I forgot to film an intro, so here I am. I'm so excited to be back, guys. So excited. I'm going to have so many more videos coming for you guys. Today's video, first video that I'm coming back with, is just kind of like a get ready with me video, and then I'm going to do my hair, talk with you guys, and show you kind of like my outfit change. So I have a handful of other videos coming. We'll talk a little bit in this video, not kind of sure how long it'll be, but I'm an all over the place kind of gal, so I'm sure you guys are used to that. I'm excited to be back. I missed you guys so much, and let's get ready for the day. Alright, for doing my face, I'm just going to go ahead and do it and put some music over it and do this pretty like quickly, kind of like how I did my other videos. But once I start doing my hair and changing and stuff, then we will do some talking. This is not going to be my normal setup, just letting you guys know this right now. Like I mentioned in the beginning, I'm doing a new beauty room, so I'm so excited. And I got my coffee here. I got myself this mug. I know I probably shouldn't have, but I just thought it was too cute. Gotta have the coffee. I've been loving coffee lately. I do think that I do prefer iced coffee though. But yeah, I need to get this makeup done, so I'm gonna go ahead and just show you everything that I have been loving lately. It's gonna be a very simple, colorful makeup look inspired by Juicy Jazz. She did like this pastel bluish color, and I got a brand new shirt that's like the same color, so we're just gonna go ahead and do that. And yeah, let's hop in. Like I said, once I do my hair and stuff, then I will chat with you guys.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground, so we can fly again. So we can fly again. I've been trying hard not to go out of my mind. And all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. And you can lift me off the ground, so we can fly again. So we can fly again. So we can fly do give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty.
Alrighty, time to do this hair. Not like there's like really much to do with it, but I need to spray some, I took my extensions out. If you guys saw, gosh, the last video that I filmed was the update on Hunter having a seizure, and I had a long braid, and I had the glued-in extensions, and I had them for like 3 months. That goes to show that I have not been, no, I'm gonna keep these on. That goes to show that I haven't been doing YouTube for a while, so I am so happy to be back. I'm gonna go in with the Pantene Never Tell dry shampoo, just to kind of refreshen this hair a bit. But yeah, I took my glued-in extensions out because it was just time. They usually can stay in for 6 months, but I got kind of cheaper ones off of Amazon because I didn't obviously want to pay a fortune for them. And after like 3 months, they were just, they were ready to come out. I still have a bit of glue residue in my hair, which I'm like slowly getting that out. So I'm gonna like take my bangs down and then just, it's kind of a go-to hairstyle that I do. Stick this part in like a ponytail. So how have y'all been? Let me know down below. Like I have mentioned, it's been forever. I'm so excited to be back. I just, so I'm going to just wear a kind of a messy bun in my hair. And then I get this part and go like this, and then pin it back, and I got my little bump in my bun. So it has been pretty busy, crazy few months. I took a little break, obviously, from posting on Instagram and YouTube, just because I feel like I really needed it. I needed to refocus my life, and my anxiety was getting really bad. I was going through just like a hard time. My depression has been bad, just out of nowhere, you know? So I am just trying to work on that. We will talk about that in, I think I'm gonna have to go upstairs and like straighten this piece of hair because it keeps wanting to just stick up. But let's talk for a second. This lighting is terrible. Let's like go sit in a spot where the lighting isn't so terrible. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and film right here really quick. Don't mind that I have my gym stuff in the background. So, oh, here is the finished look. Just a very simple blue, like pastel blue, obviously matches my shirt. And then the hair, I gotta fix that bun. It's looking a little crazy. But yeah, it's just been, I'm trying to think. Yeah, it's been a few months since obviously I've been on here, and I'm realizing that YouTube is like my one hobby that I absolutely love doing, so I plan to start filming way more. I've already been filming a like what did I eat in a day video and speed clean videos, stuff like that. And I love just coming on here and talking to you guys. I did film a little bit with Hunter the other day and he got like so excited. So I love the fact that he just got so excited for me to start filming again because I've been filming ever since he was like a baby. So he's going to be in more of my videos. You guys can see how much he's grown. If you're wondering how he's doing amazing. He's been he takes his medication in the morning and at night, and he's had no sign of seizures. We had an appointment with a neurologist, and she said it's like a 50-50 chance that he has a possibility of getting, like having another seizure, but it's kind of just like up in the air. So obviously we're just watching him very closely. I finally, a few months ago, signed up for the gym. I've been going to Villa Sport, and I take Hunter swimming with his cousins, my sister Emily's kids. They're adorable. They hang out with us like a few times a week. It kind of keeps me sane because they play with Hunter. It gets a little hard for me to keep Hunter, you know, just preoccupied, like playing with him and stuff like that, because he will want to do something for 2 seconds and then go do something else. I feel like there's going to be a lot of info in this video, so bear with me. Colorado has been, the weather has been like bipolar. It'll be super sunny one day and then super rainy the next. So we'll be able to like go outside in the backyard. I'll show you guys the process, the progress of that and all that in an upcoming vlog. I'm just so excited to start like vlogging again and talking to you guys. I just really need it. You guys have the ones like my main people, you know who you are. If you're watching this right now, obviously you're like my #1 fans. You're not, I don't have fans, but you're my friends here, and I've met some of you guys in real life, but some of you I haven't, and I really wish I could. And I just love, even when you comment, it means a lot to me because it's nice to have someone like outside my family and normal friends to like talk to, you know, and it's nice to have other people that can relate to things that are going on with me. You guys have been so amazing. My channel has been still getting views. I haven't lost any subscribers. I've actually gained some subscribers the last few months that I haven't even been active on here. And to me, it's not all about just the subscribers and the views. I do this because, like I said, it's a passion of mine, and it does help my anxiety and my depression. And I just realized that it's good for my mental health to do YouTube, and just because I enjoy it so much. So I never planned on quitting. I will always do YouTube. It's gonna always be my passion. I love sharing with you guys, not even if it's makeup related. I actually will talk about that in the next video. I actually decluttered like half of my makeup collection. So I think I'm going to do like a makeup collection video. If you guys want to see that, let me know. I'll show you what I have in my collection, but I pretty much got rid of like 60% of my makeup, which is so crazy, but makeup just hasn't really been something that I do too often. When you watch my videos now, you're going to more see me without makeup or very minimal makeup, just because it's easier for me. And yeah, but I want to start doing my makeup more often because it is something that I do enjoy doing. But during the week when I have a 3-year-old running around and stuff, I don't, and then I go to the gym and sweat and stuff like that, I don't feel like it's necessary for me to put a full face of makeup on. But today I'm going shopping with my sister, and I wanted to put a little bit of makeup on and look a little presentable. So yeah, coming back on here telling you guys that I'm alive, I'm safe, I am doing all right, working on my mental health, and I'm pretty sure this month, May, is mental health month, like mental health awareness month, so I should do a video on mental health. Let me know if you guys want me to do that and talk about like my experience and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're excited that I'm back. I hope you enjoyed this little makeup tutorial. It was a lot of fun to film, sitting there drinking my coffee, watching some YouTube, and getting ready for the day. So yeah, I will see you guys in more upcoming videos. I should at least be filming a few times a week. uploading a few times a week. I'm not going to have any set dates. I'll just kind of upload when I upload, like my schedule has always kind of been. But yeah, thanks guys for sticking around. I love you. Peace out. Stay safe. Wear your face mask. And yeah.